National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manna, 1 Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of Fork River to near Atlantic City, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Atlantic City, Little Egg Reef, Ship Bottom, Barnma, Get Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harbor Cedars, Fork River, Beach Haven, Barnma, Get Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Seaside Park, Brigantine and Pine Beach. At 3 p.m.
Well, radio didn't go off for that. Signal was not strong enough, I guess. It's a nice looking storm. Nice looking storm for March 30th.